guys, I'm Jade. We got a sample from Zhiyun factory lately, so today we are going to do an unboxing of Weebill Lab gimbal from Zhiyun Tech. Let's check out what's inside the box. Oh my god, let's check out the gimbal. It's so small. It's about A4 size paper. It's just like the A4 size paper. Let's scale the weight of it. It's just about 870 kilograms. Here are the whole stuffs in the box. We have two gimbals. We have two batteries and a battery charger, a tripod, a quick release plate, and a phone holder. This is the adapter in the follow focus. And here is the follow focus motor. And also we have a cable box. Inside the box we have several cables for the gimbal and the camera. And finally we have the gimbal. And here are some screws of the gimbal. We already put all stuff in the gimbal. This gimbal have two 1/4 ports, one in here and one in here. If you put a tripod in these 1/4 ports, it would be very easy to take the low angle shoots like this way. And if you have another tripod, you could adapt another tripod in the bottom port, and these two tripod will become a door handle. It's very easy to take shot, and you also could put a carbon fiber pop in the bottom. If you need to take high angle shot, you could use it like this way. And this gimbal's payload have 3 kilograms. That means you could put other accessories like such as LED lights and microphones into the gimbal. And here we have the phone mode. phone in the phone mode and connect the phone and the camera through Wi-Fi. Then your smartphone will become a monitor. This gimbal has amazing features. Let's look these parts. This is the HDMI connecting box. You could connect it with your camera and your smartphone through Wi-Fi. Then your smartphone will become the monitor, and you could get the wireless view in your phone. And also you could control your camera screen by tap the smartphone, and it also could control the focus of the camera. And if you take off the smartphone, and your smartphone will become a remote control. It could control your camera by your phone. But our factory don't release the app, so we can test it for you now.